While you may see our direct bore crews in your neighborhood, it's what we're doing below ground that's going to be of the most interest and a benefit to residents.
This video is here to show all the homeowners what we're going to be doing, what they can expect, and to know that this is natural and we'll be coming back and cleaning everything up and everything will be back to normal in a few short weeks.
At Direct Bore, we do horizontal directional drilling, which means when it comes to any work we do, from hydro lines to fiber optic cables, it's done underground, and that minimizes disturbances to communities and the environment that are experienced with traditional trench digging.
The advantage of horizontal drilling is we're not digging up everyone's laneways and boulevards and front yards.
So first things first, letting the neighbors know what's going on. We put an information flyer on every doorknob. The first 2 to 4 meters of a front lawn is not actually owned by the homeowner. It is a right-of-way for utility firms, and that's where Direct Bore does our work. We understand it's a disruption, and we strive to respect the community and their concerns. Step 2 is ensuring everyone is safe by locating things like gas lines under the ground, and we appreciate the help of residents to keep everyone safe.
Some homeowners will take out the flags and so on and so forth because they want to cut their grass, and we get it, remove them, cut your grass, put them back where the yellow paint is, so on and so forth. That way it's a safety feature for our employees so that they can work safely and not get hurt.
And this helps the process go faster. With marking, we know where to drill, and if flags are moved, the marking has to be redone, and that can add another week to the project.
Yeah, keep on here, pull.
When it's safe, we start drilling and laying in our conduit.
A little bit more.
When those are all in place, we're ready to run the cables through them. And then we start connecting all the cables safely. Direct Bore hooks up an average of 200 homes a week via underground drilling, and the senior leadership team at the firm has about 100 years of combined experience.
Fiber right to the home definitely increase your property value. If you have yours and your neighbors and you have fiber right to your home and you want to run a home business, that's a definite advantage for you.
It's always the choice of the homeowner as to whether or not they want the new fiber line attached to the outside of their home or left in a box at the property line.
To the consumer, they get a wicked product that in today's society is a necessity now. It's no cost to them. We bring it right to the house for them. We'll take the coils and we'll spade it into each house and have a coil left at every house so that the tech can come in and attach the fiber to the house itself.
At Direct Bore, we take pride in how we can also benefit taxpayers. Our drilling system is more affordable than trench digging and better for the environment. And with disintegrating pipes under many cities and the need for services in new neighborhoods, we're ready to reduce costs for Canadians and contractors.
If you're conventionally trenching, one unit can trench about 100 meters a day. In good ground, we can do anywhere from 200 to 400 meters a day.
Our final step is to clean up and restore the areas where we have disturbed the ground with our compact drills, cables, and conduits. At Direct Bore, our job is done when you never knew we were there. If you have any questions for the team at Direct Bore, contact us by email or phone.